Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to appear offline in Facebook. So there's a full guide. So I will be just tap on my Facebook application on my mobile device, or you will just log in on the web. So simply just finding the right bottom corner option is the menu, and I will be just scroll down, and here is the settings and privacy. I will just tap on it, and again just tap on its settings. So I will be just scroll down and just finding the option is active status simply. So in audience and visibility, you will be just find the last option is active status. I will be just tap on it simply. So here you will just have to turn it off if you want to appear offline in Facebook. So I will just tap to turn it on. So it will be just asked for the permission that turn off active status. You won't be able to see when your friends and contacts are active or recently active. So simply just tap on it, turn it off. So in this way you will have to appear offline in Facebook. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, then get notified for more videos.